Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make Kabuli Palau, or you can call it Afghani Palau. So I'm gonna show you the ingredient step by step because more ingredient coming up. And right now over here what you can see, I have my meat. Now I'm using beef. You can use lamb, do not hesitate to use lamb. And then basmati rice. I am going to soak this rice, rinse it, throw the water a few times, and then cover it with warm water. And in the meantime, the meat is going to cook, the rice is going to soak. And then we need some onion, finely sliced, and some spices, which is cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, green cardamom. We need some cloves. This is optional, some dried chilies. And now these spices is going to this blender over here. I'm gonna go blend this into coarsely fine, and I'm gonna go cook this meat in the pressure cooker. But yes, you can obviously do this in a regular pot, but it's just gonna take longer, and we're just gonna be in the kitchen forever. So I'm just gonna put the meat cook after I blend this spice. So this is going to make some noise. I'm just gonna do this off camera, and spices is ready. Let's open it. Smell is great. Now you guys can see coarsely fine. I want you to come close and see the spices. It's not it's like it's not overpowering, but it's just like went in my nose. So okay, now you guys can see. You want to blend this into coarsely fine just like that. I have already added the meat in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna add some water, spices that I have blended, add all of them, and I'm also gonna add some salt and black pepper powder, and give it a mix. Add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm using store bought, but fresh is better. Now the heat is over high heat, and right now everything is being mixed. I have added about 3 to 3.5 cup of water approximately, and then I'm gonna cover this pressure cooker lid. And if yours whistle, then let it whistle about like 4 to 5 times, and I'm gonna let mine cook about 15 minutes. Well, my meat is already cooked. I turn off the pressure cooker, and we're gonna open it later, let the vapor cool down completely. In a non-stick large pot, most likely this is what I use for biryani. So I'm gonna use that. It's like big enough, large enough to spread everything. So I have some oil, about a cup over here, and while my meat was cooking, I have chopped up my carrots into tiny strips just like that, and we also have some dry raisin. I'm gonna fry these, and it's been 5 minutes, and now you can see the carrots. We are not going to fry this completely like until soft. We're just gonna fry this until the carrots still standing just like that. Looks like crispy, but it's not. So I'm just gonna remove them on a plate. To the same oil, I'm gonna fry this onion until light brown color. Guys, so I open the pressure cooker, and this water is going to strain. I'm just gonna strain the water and use it as a stock because there is spices in it, there's flavor in it, and the meat, I'm just gonna let all the water drop in the pressure cooker, and it's gonna go right in the pot with the onion. Next, I'm gonna cook this meat with the onion. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sugar just to caramelize the meat. Give it a stir. Now you can see the meat has those golden color, beautiful color from the sugar and the brown color, like light color onion, but now you can see the color, the onion change color because of the sugar as well. And that was cooking for 5 minutes. And now it's time to add the stove. Now I'm gonna add the rice with soaking, add some salt, some black pepper, give it a mix. It's time to cover, partially cover, and just let it cook just like that over medium-high heat. After 10 minutes, let's open up. And this is what you're gonna do. Move the rice so that the rice doesn't touch in the bottom. I'm gonna cover this back and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Let's open up again. And now I'm gonna add the carrot and the raisin. And at this time, lower the heat over like medium low. Now give it a stir. Just be careful so the rice doesn't break and the heat off. This is just a simple dish. It is not over spicy. It is not overpowering in spices. It is as light as possible. It is so hot. It is so yummy. It's a colorful. I just love rice in this color, like brown kind of color. And on top of that, we have the carrots, the raisin, and it is really hot right now. I do want to try a little bit of the rice, at least I can have the rice and a piece of carrots. I know it's so hot, but I can't wait, guys. I have a long day at work today. It's a Monday filming this video, and I just want to eat now. Let's try it. I wouldn't eat this without dry raisin. The dry raisin brings this dish in a different level. It is just like good. It is so good. I just love it. Simple and easy dish, all in one pot. You guys know me. I just love one pot dish. Written ingredient is already down below for you guys. Check it out, make it, and let me know how did you like it, how did yours turn, and I will see you next time with another great recipe.